I've not measured anything out, so good start. Carry on like a trooper. Poo brown. Oh no. Is it cooked on the inside? Not too sure. Ready, steady, bake. Hello everyone, happy Christmas. We're nearly there now. We are literally so close to Christmas. I hope you've got all your Christmas shopping done, because I definitely haven't. The Christmas shopping might not be ready, but you know what is ready? Me. To get baking. I was thinking the other day, I haven't actually done a baking video for the longest time, and some of you for some reason really like it when I bake. I would just like to say before we start, if you're looking for a legit recipe, you actually want to know how to bake some Christmas goodies, this is not the video for you. This is a let's bake together and feel rubbish about our lives. But anyway, on that note, today I am going to be making these, funnily enough, little Santa hats. Last year for Christmas, or the year before, I can't remember, I made Christmas tree cakes. They didn't go down too well. This is not how I planned it to go. Although the cakes were awful, I spent money on this, so I'm going to be using this little tray again, but they're not going to be Christmas trees, they're going to be Santa hats. But without further ado, let's get baking. Okay, so here in front of me I have all my ingredients. I also have the ingredients for some of the frosting up there, that's coming a little bit later. Here's the recipe, let's go. First things first, my oven is preheating. So next up, in this large mixing bowl, actually a small mixing bowl from Asda, but it'll do, we're going to basically put all the dry ingredients in there. I've not measured anything out, so good start. Just imagine a minute, a life that comes with a metaphorical sieve. All the good bits fall out and all the bad bits stay in there. Chuck them, see you later. Life would be so much easier. First up, we need 130 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, or 131 grams, I tried my best. Chuck that in there. Sievey, sieve. Oh, I've spilt a bit. Carry on like a trooper. Next up, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Oh, this smells lovely. By the way, I forgot to say, these cakes that I'm making are red velvet. 1 tablespoon in the bowl. Next up, we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, not too much. And finally, we need 90 grams of light brown soft sugar. Very specific sugar, I'm not sure why. That's 100 grams, I'm sure it'll be fine. In the bowl. Mix that all up, make them be friends. Come on honeys, bond together. Okay, next up we've got to take a large jug. This is the largest jug I could find. It'll be fine, I'm sure. I need 80 millilitres, but the smallest measurement is 100, so we're just gonna guess that. Also, is crisp and dry the same as vegetable oil? Hopefully. Yeah, that'd be alright. Ooh, what's buttermilk? It stinks. This smells horrible. Can't wait to put that in my cakes. Why is it thick? That's gross. I'll whack that in there with that, I think. Oh, I really hope I was supposed to do that. Ugh, that doesn't look like something you want to put in your body, does it? Wow, I love baking. We now need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Perfect. Oh, this red food colouring and my white jumper is not a good combination, Han. And then finally, in my lovely creation, like a pro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not 100% confident that I've done this right. Okay, now I have my bowl of dry ingredients and my jug of wet ingredients. Guess what the next step is? I'll give you a moment to answer. Ding ding ding, combine the two. Oh, lovely. If this shambles of a mixture manages to somehow turn itself into cakes, I'm gonna be very impressed. It's not looking very red velvet, it's looking more poo brown. Are we surprised? Not really. So now that this is done, kind of, I'm gonna spoon it into me Christmas trees. This is supposed to make 12 cupcakes. I think out of my Christmas trees this might make 4, but I mean who's got more than 4 friends anyway? Come on Han, you got this. What did I say? 4 cakes. But I suppose at least I have less to decorate now, because if anyone is bad at decorating cakes, it's this girl. But I'm now going to put these in the oven for, to be honest, I have no idea how long these need to go in the oven for, because this recipe says 20 minutes for 12 little cakes. I've got 4 big cakes, so we're just going to play it by ear. We're just going to go with the flow, which is a sentence that often leads to some of my worst decisions. See you later, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Now this is the point when any sensible adult would probably tidy up all this mess. But I mean, I've got better things to do than that. By better things, I mean I'm going to scroll down Instagram for 20 minutes. Oh no, it's been probably 5 minutes. I've just come to check on the cakes. They've already gained a bit of weight. Honeys, I know it's Christmas, but you've gone mad on the pigs in blankets because they were not that big a minute ago. And now I'm concerned that they're just gonna keep growing. Oh no, my cakes are proper letting me down. Hans, stop it. Nah, these cakes have let me down. They've fully bailed on me. Here we have the final product. Look at the size of them.
2 hours later.
Okay, I am back. Not gonna lie, got a little bit distracted. It's been a while and now it's pitch black outside, so Nice one, Han. But my cakes are cool, obviously, because they've been there for ages. So now I'm going to decorate them to try and make them look like my hat. They're not very red. They're not red at all, but at least they're pointy. So what I'm going to do is around the bottoms of them, I'm going to put like the white band. I'm going to use this vanilla buttercream style icing. Got a little piping bag ready. It's going to be amazing. And then I'm going to roll them in desiccated little bits of coconut. I feel like it's quite Christmassy. It looks a bit like snow. And then to go on the top of my cakes as my little bauble, I've got some marshmallows. Oh, this smells so nice. Isn't that not the most satisfying thing in the entire world? Also, this video is not sponsored by Betty Crocker. Wow, perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and just cover up this mess with the coconut. And then if we just sort of push that on there, problem solved. Wow, that was actually a very good idea of mine. Then we get a marshmallow, whack it on top. Ta-da! Okay, I've just finished. Do you know what, guys? Dare I say it? I'm quite impressed with myself. Don't you think they look quite like my hat? I mean, they're not very red, but I feel like that's not really my fault. That's just what the recipe told me to do, so I'm not taking the blame for that one. The icing, not the best. The marshmallows don't look too great, but as Christmas cakes go, these are a lot better than my Christmas trees that I attempted. I'm improving. I'm getting there, my friends. I never thought I'd see the day when I'd be pleased with me cakes. It's a Christmas miracle. I actually think they look really cute. I don't give myself enough credit, you know. I'm staying humble, but I'm actually very, very impressed with these. But it wouldn't be a baking video without a taste test, so I'm gonna try one. How do I even eat this? I'm just gonna go for it. Fab Han, you have outdone yourself. Is it cooked on the inside? Not too sure. Does it still taste good? Yes, it does. But anyway, ladies and gents, thanks for watching. I've been Fab Han. This has been my Christmas baking. I hope you're all having a lovely festive time, and I hope you have a really lovely Christmas. I am still going to be filming and uploading all throughout Christmas up until the new year. So if you've not got much on your plate, I mean, I hope you've got a lot on your Christmas plate. But if you haven't got a lot going on, then don't worry, I'm here for you. Do subscribe to follow my journey into 2019. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! The marshmallow's still the best bit.